Hello everyone, Lucas Purden here from Paul Sherry Conversion Vans in beautiful Piqua, Ohio. Today I'm highlighting a new arrival to the dealership, stock number CP16766T. It's a 2019 Chevrolet Traverse LS ATS rear ramp mobility vehicle. Has a rear ramp, very simplistic rear entry. There is room in here for 2 chairs and room to pull 1 chair up in between the 2. You got your Q strengths to lock in, 2 jump seats here, regular factory doors, rear HVAC controls, USB ports. Very spacious. And one thing the ATS does that not a lot of other rear entry upfitters do on minivans and SUVs is they've got a spare tire in here, so you're not going to be stranded without a spare in this. This van is in absolutely great shape inside and out. It almost could pass for a new vehicle. There is about 29,000 miles on it, but you absolutely could not tell from the interior or exterior. Nice, beautiful, brilliant white paint, black trim all around. If you're looking for something that's a little different than the your everyday minivan, wheelchair van, this might be what you're looking for. Nice Traverse SUV, looks almost stock from the outside. Let's take a look on the inside up front here. You got the keyless entry, power mirrors, windows and locks, nice premium upholstery in here. Nice touchscreen radio, all your USB ports, storage ports, cup holders, your parking brake, traction control down here as well. Nice cubby here in the console. Pull this out. Overall, it's a super nice vehicle. It also comes equipped with OnStar as well for emergency purposes. Open up these side doors here, take another look here from the side. Plenty of room in here, plenty of room for the wheelchair. Nice easy incline there to get up and down, and it's actually super easy here. Spring assisted, so you're not gonna have any trouble raising and lowering this. You got 2 little ratchets right here. It kind of locks it in, the one there, then you have another one right here. Real easy to do. Other than the rear, you cannot tell this is a mobility van really at all. Very nice vehicle. Again, we are looking at stock number CP16766T. It's a 2019 Chevrolet Traverse LS ATS rear entry mobility vehicle. I'm Lucas Purden. Come visit me at Paul Sherry Conversion Vans in Piqua, Ohio, or you can visit us online at paulsherryconversionvans.com, or give Lucas a call at 937-778-0830, extension 1129. Thank you.